What's up, you guys? It's OptionsFinest, and today I got another video for you guys. Today is something special. It is the Samsung Odyssey G9 49-inch curved ultra-wide gaming monitor. So this has 240 hertz rate, which means that you can see games, you can see your frames a lot better. It's a quicker response. Most people don't know if they haven't looked into it, but your monitors are standard at 60 hertz. So 240 hertz is a big bump. The ones I have at home are 144 hertz. That's one that I've reviewed in the past. This one is, blows it out of the water. It's almost double. So we're gonna get right into it. I got a knife right here that's gonna be a little bit difficult because of how big this thing really is. I'm gonna unbox it and set it up in this video. I'm going to take everything out and kind of set it aside. This is just the freaking bottom for it. This holds the monitor. This is the stand. That's huge. The power supply, or the power cord, and HDMI and display cords. This is the base, I'm guessing. This is another piece. I'm assuming it goes on the back of the screen. Yeah, it does. And the arm. This is a freaking beefy arm. Look at this thing. Nice. Alright, so now it's just the styrofoam on top, which I will move out of the way. The screen is massive. Just outside of the box, not in the box with anything attached to it. Alright, so that's everything that came in the box that you need to set it up. So I have the instructions and everything, and what I'm going to do is I'll do a little bit of a speed run putting it together. Come back when it's all set up and put it on the desk and everything. So you can have whatever you want on the left, in the middle, and on the right. You get a program. I'll put a link in the description. You get a program, you hit shift. It's called Microsoft PowerToys. You hit shift and then move the tab into that area so you can designate sections on the screen like you have 3 monitors. Alright, so that's it, you guys. That's pretty much the entire unboxing video of the Samsung G9 49-inch ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. We were borrowing it for the time being, and it was a really awesome monitor. Thanks Samsung for, existing. It was really cool to use, and if you guys are interested in it, I'll leave it linked down below. With that all said, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe that you did. There's going to be more videos like this, so enjoy the rest of your week, night, whatever it is. Peace.